I will be unboxing the Suaoki D100 power bank. Let's see what's in here. All wrapped in plastic. It's pretty heavy. I think it's about close, or maybe it's 2 pounds. Nice box. Okay. It's all packed in foam, which is good. Keeps the system really good protection wise. Okay, here we go. We got the gel. That's an adapter, power, and I'm guessing this is for the car. Good stuff. And I'm seeing here USB. So here we go. Let's bring this up. Okay. Yeah, definitely feels very premium. It's quite heavy, but it's rated at 26,800 milliamp hours. It's a lot of storage. And it's currently on sale on Amazon, and that's why I pulled the trigger, even though there's no reviews. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, the size is a little on the big side, but I'm not worried about it. Yeah. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to be charging a lot of stuff from here. My phone, my drone batteries. Okay, so let's see what's in the other box here. Let's put this aside. Looks like it's got a case, which is a nice thing to have. What is it? Velcro. Okay, let's see if it fits snugly. Yeah, it's nice for them to provide this. It's awesome. It's a perfect fit. Yeah, so it's in the case, and it feels kind of fabric, Velcro. It's not too bad. It's pretty good. It's good to have in the bag so it doesn't get scratched up. Some thank you note, and of course the manual. Good stuff. I think it's going to be pretty straightforward anyway. So let's look at the sockets here. On and off switch, and AC ports, Type C USB, 2 USB port, and the power input. Awesome. I guess there's the blue LED stating how much battery is left. So after charging it for about an hour and a half, I got to 4 bars. It's not too bad. So what I'll do now is I'll try charging a few things here. This is my drone. It's rated at 100 watts, so anything below that is acceptable. So let's try this. Charge it here, and this is from a Mavic Pro. Let's see, let's turn this on. Oh wow, look at that. It's charging it pretty well. Okay, now I'll try it with my other phone. Put them here. Let's see if it charges both of them at the same time. Yeah, look at that. Charging. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see if it'll all charge at the same time. I got 2 cell phones and 1 drone. Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, it's charging as well. Pretty happy with that. 3 systems charging at the same time. Yep. Pretty good.